Ever wondered how a string of code could potentially be worth more than gold? Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency. It's a term that's been buzzing around for a while now. But what exactly is it? Well, in the simplest terms, a cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency. It's not something you can hold in your hand like a dollar bill or a gold coin. It exists purely in the digital realm. But don't let that fool you into thinking it's any less real. The real magic of cryptocurrency is in its security. You see, these digital currencies use something called cryptography, a method of protecting information by transforming it into an unreadable format. Only those who have a special key can decipher it. This makes cryptocurrencies incredibly secure, and it's one of the reasons they're becoming so popular. But there's more to the story. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized. That means they aren't controlled by any government or central bank. Instead, they're governed by a network of computers spread around the globe. These computers work together to process transactions, keeping the system running smoothly. This decentralization has some pretty significant implications. For one, it means cryptocurrencies are immune to government interference or manipulation. They're not subject to the whims of a central authority that can devalue them by printing more money. Instead, their value is determined by the people who use them and the market forces at play. And this is where the real power of cryptocurrency lies. It's not just a new form of money, it's a new way of thinking about money. It's about taking control away from central authorities and giving it back to the people. It's about creating a financial system that's transparent, secure, and fair. In essence, cryptocurrency is a revolution, a shift from traditional banking systems, offering a new way to view and handle money. From being an obscure concept a decade ago, cryptocurrency has taken the world by storm. The birth of Bitcoin in 2009 marked the genesis of a new era, an era of digital currency. Bitcoin, the first of its kind, was a mere infant in the financial world, but it grew rapidly, defying skeptics and proving its worth in a jiffy. The rise of Bitcoin paved the way for other cryptocurrencies. Ethereum, for instance, made its debut in 2015, bringing with it the revolutionary idea of smart contracts. These self-executing contracts, with the terms of the agreement directly written into lines of code, offered a new level of trust and transparency in transactions. But Bitcoin and Ethereum were just the tip of the iceberg. Today there are over 5,000 different cryptocurrencies, each with its own unique features and potential. These digital assets have created a new economy, an economy that thrives on decentralization, transparency, and inclusivity. The impact of cryptocurrencies is not confined to the digital realm alone. Their influence has permeated various industries. From retail to real estate, education to entertainment, cryptocurrencies are redefining the way transactions are done. Consider the music industry, where artists are now selling their work directly to fans using cryptocurrencies, eliminating the need for middlemen. Moreover, cryptocurrencies are challenging traditional financial systems. No longer do we need to rely on banks or financial institutions to transfer money. With cryptocurrencies, we can send and receive money anywhere in the world, at any time, and at a fraction of the cost. The rise of cryptocurrency is not just about digital money. It's about power. It's about the power to control your own money, the power to transact freely, and the power to participate in a global economy without barriers. The rise of cryptocurrency signifies a shift in financial power, opening the doors to a world of opportunities. We're living in exciting times, where the rules of the game are being rewritten, and it's all thanks to the rise of cryptocurrencies. Now imagine having a platform that not only demystifies cryptocurrency but also empowers you with the right tools and knowledge. Welcome to Intelligent Cryptocurrency VIP. In the ever-evolving world of digital finance, it's not enough to just keep up. You need to be ahead of the curve, and that's exactly where Intelligent Cryptocurrency VIP positions you. This platform isn't just a portal, it's a powerhouse of information, tools, and community support designed to provide a comprehensive crypto experience. Consider the challenge of navigating the complex world of cryptocurrency. It can be daunting, especially for beginners. However, Intelligent Cryptocurrency VIP is here to serve as your compass. It offers a vast array of educational resources, from in-depth articles and guides to interactive webinars and tutorials. Whether you're just dipping your toes into the crypto waters or ready to dive into the deep end, this platform is equipped to meet you at your level and guide you towards mastery. But Intelligent Cryptocurrency VIP isn't just about education, it's also about research and staying informed. The platform provides real-time data, market trends, and insights from seasoned experts. This empowers you to make informed decisions, whether you're considering your first crypto investment or strategizing your next big move. Moreover, Intelligent Cryptocurrency VIP isn't a solitary journey. It's a community of like-minded individuals, all passionate about crypto. Here you can engage in discussions, share insights, and learn from the experiences of others. You're not just learning about cryptocurrency, you're becoming a part of the global crypto conversation. In essence, Intelligent Cryptocurrency VIP is more than just a service. It's a ticket to the front line of the crypto revolution. It equips you with the knowledge, tools, and community support you need to navigate the crypto landscape with confidence and finesse. With Intelligent Cryptocurrency VIP, you're not just a part of the crypto revolution, you're leading it. You might be wondering, what sets Intelligent Cryptocurrency VIP apart from other crypto platforms? Well, let's dive into the details and find out. Imagine having a personal crypto expert, one who's always there to guide you through the labyrinth of the cryptocurrency market. That's one of the unique features of Intelligent Cryptocurrency VIP. It provides expert guidance, helping you navigate through the ever-changing and complex world of cryptocurrency, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out. But that's not all. Intelligent Cryptocurrency VIP goes a step further, offering in-depth research reports. These reports are not your everyday, run-of-the-mill articles. They are comprehensive analyses, filled with insights and information that are meticulously researched and compiled by a team of experts. These reports simplify complex crypto concepts, making them easily digestible, even for beginners. This means that you're not just getting data, you're getting knowledge that has been carefully distilled and presented in a way that you can understand and act upon. Now let's talk about the community. The crypto world can be a lonely place with its jargon and complex charts. But with Intelligent Cryptocurrency VIP, you're not alone. You become part of a supportive community, a group of like-minded individuals who are all on the same journey. You can share ideas, discuss strategies, and learn from each other. It's not just about making the right investments, it's also about growing together. Lastly, let's not forget about market insights. In the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, being up-to-date is crucial. Intelligent Cryptocurrency VIP provides real-time market insights, keeping you ahead of the game and helping you make informed decisions. So, you see, Intelligent Cryptocurrency VIP is more than just a platform. It's a comprehensive ecosystem designed to empower you in the world of cryptocurrency. It's a tool, a guide, and a community, all rolled into one. Intelligent Cryptocurrency VIP is not just a platform, it's your launchpad into the world of cryptocurrency. The future of finance is not in banks or gold, but in the unseen power of cryptocurrency. As we chart the course of tomorrow, we're seeing an undeniable shift towards a world where digital currencies are the norm. The potential of cryptocurrencies is vast, reaching far beyond the realms of finance and into sectors as diverse as healthcare, real estate, and even non-profit initiatives. Imagine a world where transactions are instant, borderless, and free from intermediary control. That's the promise of cryptocurrencies. They're not just changing the way we do business, they're revolutionizing our understanding of what money can be. The world is waking up to this reality, with growing acceptance and integration of cryptocurrencies in various sectors. But navigating this brave new world can be daunting. That's where Intelligent Cryptocurrency VIP comes in. It's more than just an investment tool. It's your guide to the complex and exciting world of crypto. As we step into this future, Intelligent Cryptocurrency VIP is your compass, guiding you through the complex maze of crypto markets. Ready to unlock the secrets of crypto and become a part of the financial revolution? It's time to step into the future and embrace the world of digital currencies. Intelligent Cryptocurrency VIP is your gateway to this exciting new world. With its comprehensive guides, expert insights, and supportive community, it's the perfect platform for beginners and seasoned investors alike. No matter where you are in your crypto journey, Intelligent Cryptocurrency VIP is here to help you navigate the often turbulent waters of digital finance. So why wait? The future of finance is here, and it's digital. Join Intelligent Cryptocurrency VIP today and start your journey towards financial freedom. Remember, the best time to start is now. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, do like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell notification so you'll get updates anytime we upload a video.